Guys, magandang araw sa inyo. Good day. I have here a set of playing cards full of hearts. Ganito yon, may kukwento ako sa inyo. In the year 387, there was a queen whose age is 64. She had two sons, Jack and King. And in the year 1095, they all died. Game. Guys, wrong spelling. Wrong. Spell 1. O-N-E. Spell 2. T-W-O. Spell 3. T-H-R-E-E. T-E-N J-A-C-K Q-U-E-E-N, and that is me.